Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an interesting topic that has been gaining attention lately. Books versus mobile phones. Which one is better to read? Welcome back to our channel Books or No Books. In today's world, we're constantly surrounded by technology, and many of us have shifted our focus from books to mobile phones. But is this shift a good thing? Let's take a look at the pros and cons of books and mobile phones. Pros of books. Let's start by discussing the benefits of reading books. Firstly, reading books has been proven to be a great way to reduce stress and anxiety. When we read a book, we immerse ourselves in a different world and forget about our problems for a while. Secondly, reading books can help improve your memory and concentration. As we read, our brain is constantly working to understand and retain information, which can help improve our cognitive abilities in the long run. Thirdly, reading books is a great way to learn and expand our knowledge. Books cover a wide range of topics, from history to science to literature, and reading can help broaden our perspective on different subjects. Cons of books. Now, let's move on to the downsides of reading books. Firstly, books can be expensive, especially if you're an avid reader. Purchasing books can quickly add up, and not everyone has the financial resources to buy them. Secondly, books can be bulky and heavy, making them inconvenient to carry around. This can be a problem if you're someone who likes to read while traveling or on the go. Finally, some people find it difficult to concentrate while reading, especially if they have other distractions around them. Pros of mobile phones. Next, let's talk about the benefits of mobile phones. Firstly, mobile phones are incredibly convenient. You can carry them around with you wherever you go, and you can access a wide range of content on them, including books. Secondly, mobile phones are versatile, and you can use them for a wide range of activities, such as watching videos, playing games, and communicating with others. Finally, mobile phones are a great way to stay connected with the world around you. And you can access news, information, and entertainment with just a few taps on the screen. Cons of mobile phones. However, there are also downsides to mobile phones. Firstly, mobile phones can be addictive, and many people find themselves spending hours scrolling through social media or playing games. This can lead to a loss of productivity and can have negative effects on your mental health. Secondly, mobile phones emit blue light, which can disrupt your sleep and lead to other health problems. Finally, mobile phones can be a source of distraction, especially if you're trying to focus on something else. In conclusion, both books and mobile phones have their pros and cons. Books are a great way to reduce stress, improve memory, and learn new things. However, they can be expensive and bulky, and not everyone can concentrate while reading. On the other hand, mobile phones are incredibly convenient and versatile, and they can keep you connected to the world around you. However, they can be addictive, emit blue light, and can be a source of distraction. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide which one works best for you, and it's important to find a balance between the two. In my view, books are better than mobile, but we should also use mobile in a moderate form to keep yourself updated. Please comment below and let me know what you like more. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep reading.